Hey everybody, today we're gonna do the part 2 of our mining game tutorial, like without coding. So in this tutorial we're gonna make a part. Wait, let me see the button and stuff, okay. That's gonna get from the player stones and give him cash. Easy. That's my collector. So the first thing we're gonna do a money system. So we're gonna go into let's import this, and we're gonna go into server script service, and we're gonna wait. Let me see what's going on. I have here the manager. No, I don't want to. So I'm gonna make another script. It's leader stats. We're gonna make here leader stats. So we're gonna do event game dot players dot player added connect function. It's gonna give us the PLR that just added into the game, and we're gonna make a folder that named leader stats equal instance.new folder, comma, and we're gonna give it the parent. We're gonna parent it to PLR, and then leader stats dot name can be equal to leader stats. Make sure that you that you write it good because it's case sensitive. So local, no, not local. No. So local money gonna be equal to instance dot new int value, I think. Let's just do number value, it's okay, comma, and we're gonna parent it to leader stats. So money dot value, this we're gonna give it the start. Wait, we should do saving and loading system. So we're gonna call service local rs equal gain get service, not rsds, like data store service, okay. And we gonna, I think, yep, get data store, and here you're gonna do any name. Let's do like anything here. Okay, so money.name ds get a scenic. By the way, we need the user ID of the PLR. So local user ID equal PLR dot user ID. Okay, get a scenic, and we're gonna give it user ID like that. Okay, or 0. Here you're gonna replace that 0 with the starting money that you're gonna give like the starter player. So yeah, local money. Okay, money.name equal to money.name equal to not money, no money. Okay. So now what? So now we're gonna listen for players.player removing connect function, and it's gonna give us PLR2. So this event is gonna fire when any player like are leaving from the server. So we're gonna get again the user ID just like this, and we're gonna do ts serie user ID, and the second parameter gonna be the value. So we're gonna do plr dot leader stats dot money like that, because we name it like that. Okay, and we're gonna get this value, and we're gonna start. I think that's good. Yep. So that doesn't gonna work, like the saving and loading system doesn't gonna work in normal, like in studio. So we're gonna publish it to roblox. We're gonna try it. So I'm gonna post the game, or actually let's just go on so you can know how you can publish that stuff. Create new. You're gonna name your place like mining simulator, like something like that. Just so yeah, and we're gonna give it that. So create place. Okay, so it's created. Now we're gonna run Google Chrome. Okay. Gonna go to roblox. Gonna make sure that I save it because sake of the tutorial. Connection are too low right now, I'm not sure why. So let's go into develop tab. Oh dude, that's too slow. Okay. By the way guys, we aren't in experimental mode. We are in filter enabled on. So we're gonna go to workspace and check that on, and I'm gonna publish to the blocks again just to update. Oh, I really hate that lag. Never mind, I'm gonna do it public. Yeah, but none of the viewers chatted. Okay, so it's public right now, so I can play it. We cannot press that button. Roblox. Starts, so I'm gonna pause the game until it starts. Okay, so we back, but I seen here something that it's named value. I don't want that, so let's see what's the problem. F9. Gonna go to server log, I think, but there is nothing showing up. So there is something not good. Wait, gonna see here again. DS serie. Okay guys, it's working here. I've just changed the order of this line with this line because I think that's like something, I'm not sure what's going on it. So yeah, it's working as you see now. Now this aren't working yet. So okay, so let's get it working. Now we're gonna come to this. We're gonna put on it a script like that. So the first thing I'm gonna do is that go into the starter GUI and inventory and see that inventory service, and there is a lot of functions here. There is a function named remove item, as you see, module.remove item name. You should give it name and quantity. It returns false if the operation fails. What's going on with you? That's stupid. Okay, never mind. Dot remove item. Okay, so we're gonna go to the script, and we're gonna listen for the touching of this brick. Script dot parent dot touch it. Next function. So now here we should get the parts or the hits, and so now if hits dot parent, like, wait, I'm gonna go to game.players, or actually hit dot parent find first child human. Wait, why I did that? Because I want to check if touching, like the touching part, it's player, like it's the character of the player. So I'm gonna go to the parent of the touching parts or leg or whatever, and then I'm gonna see if it has the element that are called human width. Okay, so now what I'm gonna take the player local PLR, wait, because we are in filtering enabled on, we can't go into the from the server script into a GUI or the started or player GUI. So I think I'm gonna do in the replicate storage events, I'm gonna add another event, remote event. I'm gonna name it like remove item, like that, and I'm gonna fire this event. So you're gonna get game.replicated storage dot remove item, not dot events dot remove item. Okay, fire not fire server, we want to fire the client because okay. So fire client, and now what we should do, game dot players find first child hit dot parent dot name. So what I've got here, wait, control, okay, there we go. So what I've got here is just the player. So I get to the game.players, I got to the game.players, what it is, there we go, and I've searched for the character name because it's the player name, and I got it into the fire client. Okay, so now I should put in the inventory a local script, local, just the local script, dude. There we go. Let me zoom in. Okay, so I'm gonna listen for the event dot events dot what I name it, remove item. Okay, connect wait, dot on client event connect function. Okay, so we have the player local PLR game dot players get local player on not dot local player. By the way, we can't get the local player in a server script, so yeah, that just extra info. So now what I'm gonna access the inventory service script.parents inventory service and I'm gonna remove item. But wait, I should require that local x like equal require scripts.parent.inventory service. Okay, so I can do right now x dot add item not add item, oh dude, remove item. I'm gonna give it a name. Wait, in here. But there is a question, did we should like remove all the items that are like cold stone or what? Let me try. Remove item, remove one item, add item, calculate possible slopes, calculate items. Okay, so I'm gonna use that. Calculate items, remove x dot calculate items that are named like we're gonna pass in variable that are named item, and they're gonna pass in here. I'm gonna go back to the scripts that are in the collector, and I'm gonna pass in the second parameter, it's item, and it's gonna be stone, I think. Let me see, local script, wait, blocks, yep, it's stone. Okay, so let's try that out. Play, but it just should right now just remove it. It doesn't like it did the leader stats yet, so we already have nothing. Time to compare now with a number. Quantity, oh, remove item name and quantity, name and quantity. Okay, so I should give it the name too. Okay, sorry. Play. Just try. I know that I don't have any stone here. Let's just okay. Now let's I have 8 stones, and as you see, it's gone. Now we just should add, wait, we're gonna need to have here like prices equal, it's gonna be like an array or a dictionary actually, so it's gonna be like that. Stone equal to like 5, and okay, for now we just have stone. So now we're gonna put the quantity local q equal to this function x no q. Okay, and now I'm gonna take the local leader stats equal to plr dot leader stats, and leader stats dot money dot value equal to leader stats dot money dot value plus in brackets we're gonna do the quantity that are removed from the inventory times prices you're gonna give it the name. Yeah, I know it's hard for you a little bit to understand, but the link in description not in copy local. So yeah, we're gonna try right now. So as we know, the price that we set to the stone it's 5, so 9 times 5 is gonna be equal 45, and as you see 45, and the stone got removed from my inventory. So yeah, see you in the next time. So bye.